The Council's new corporate plan for 2016 to 2020 focuses on Rhondda Cynon Taf being a county borough with high aspirations, which promotes opportunities for all. Over £23 million has been made available to support the delivery of the corporate plan through investment in the following priority areas: highways and structures, developing transport infrastructures to improve accessibility, road safety and sustainable travel, reduce congestion and to support external funding applications for strategic traffic management schemes across RCT. Job creation with increased opportunities for apprentices and graduates. Improvements to leisure centres and outdoor leisure facilities. Investment in schools outside of the multi-million pounds 21st Century Schools programme. Town and village centre improvements. Empty property grants and housing and regeneration schemes. Drainage improvement and flood alleviation schemes. Recycling facilities in Treherbert and Dinas, as well as investment in green teams, support the maintenance of the green environment across the county borough. Over 40 new or improved play areas. The Taff Vale Precinct. The Council is also investing to support more efficient ways of working moving forwards, which will help to protect frontline services. Rhondda Cynon Taf Council, investing in your priorities.